steam inhalation therapy does this to your body. Thanks for coming to this video, guys. I hope you'll be fine. In this video you'll learn about the health benefits of steam inhaling. Guys, many physicians suggest steam inhaling during cold, flu, sore throat, etc. Steam inhaling can open and soothe the blocked nasal passage. It can help bring relief from the irritating symptoms of sinus or cold as the body tries to fight off the infection. Steam therapy involves inhaling hot water vapors, which may loosen the mucus present in the nasal channels, throat, and lungs, thereby easing the discomfort and distress. Let's know the health benefits of steam inhaling one by one. 1. Steam can kill viral infection in the lungs. Guys, it is assured that steam inhaling has the ability to kill the viral infection in the lungs. Nowadays, an environment of viral threat went on the way, which is a very pandemic situation for all human beings. So what to do? China has found the simple solution of steam inhaling to kill the viral infection of the lungs. Just inhale steam 2 to 3 minutes and keep yourself and your family safe and sound. 2. Steam liquefies mucus in the lungs. Yes guys, when you inhale steam, the hot vapor of the boiled water, it liquefies the mucus trapped in the vessels of the lungs and helps to discharge from the lungs. In this way, your lungs get cleared and give you relief of breathing problems. 3. Steam helps to cure sore throat. Sore throat happens when you infected by some kind of viral infection. As a result, you are feeling sinus problems and irritation in the throat. At this, steam inhaling is very helpful to soothe and moisturizes irritated throat, dry nasal and throat roots, thus improve inflammation and pain of your throat. 4. Steam helps to relieve in coughing. All kinds of coughing, specifically mucus cough, can make breathing problems. To avoid this, inhale the steam that can assist in relaxing the throat muscles, which in turn reduces the cough reflex significantly. Steam therapy is completely natural and does not have any harmful side effects. Steam is simply droplets of water. Our bodies constitute almost 70% water, so it is a way of cleansing our body's natural element. Just boil some water in the pan and inhale the steam. You can also run a warm shower and take in the steam. You can consider using a handheld portable vapor inhaler as well, for they are convenient and may be carried anywhere you like. Warm steam vaporizers are another great option. They are electrical units that generate a steady stream of hot humid air to lighten cold symptoms. You can run them for about 10 to 12 hours doing overnight, ensuring a constant flow of moisturized air, which may induce comfort and promote a good night's sleep. This is it guys. Enjoy steam therapy, and if you have any questions then comments below. Thanks.